One of the biggest concerns shared by nearly 90% of people today is the fear of AI. In this video, I'll give you a clear and practical answer to overcome that fear. By the way, I'm Atlas, Victor's twin brother. Victor's away on a trip preparing the next video. The meaning of job security has changed. Ever since OpenAI released ChatGPT to the public, job security took on a completely new definition. Job security is no longer about degrees or years of experience. Today, job security means this: being someone who cannot be easily replaced. So how do we become irreplaceable? The answer sounds simple, but acting on it is hard and requires real effort. First, build a dynamic skill set. Second, think like ants, always searching. Third, learn how to ride the wave. Let me explain. A dynamic skill set means combining one technical skill, one analytical skill, and one human skill. This combination is expensive and time-consuming to copy, and that's exactly why it works. Your skills should never stay the same. Every 6 to 12 months, learn a new skill and let go of one that no longer matters. In short, always stay a student. Think like ants. Ants are not the strongest creatures. They are not the smartest either, but they are always moving. Have you ever seen an ant standing still? An ant mindset means constant movement. People with an ant mindset keep asking one question: what is changing that others haven't noticed yet? Stay curious. No one forces ants to move. An ant mindset means changing before you are forced to. Don't wait for instructions. Don't wait for pressure. Now ride the wave. Surfers don't fight waves. They don't turn their backs on them. They use the wave's power to move faster. Waves come and go. No wave lasts forever. Surfers enjoy the current wave while already watching for the next one. Artificial intelligence is the current wave of the job market. Don't fight it. Don't fear it. Use AI to increase your speed while preparing for what comes next. Job security is not about one skill's future. It's a professional lifestyle. Learning, adapting, redefining. A secure job is a job you make secure through your actions. If you don't plan your career today, tomorrow the market will decide for you, and the market is rarely gentle. If this perspective on money is new to you, follow the channel. Here, we'll analyze our financial decisions more scientifically, not emotionally. See you soon.